Welcome to WPSU's virtual summer camp as we explore global arts. My name is Sarah Hamilton and I'm the Education Program Manager with WPSU. Today we're going to meet my friend Kikora of Roots of Life and learn about West African dance. So come join us.
Hello everyone, my name is Kikora Franklin and I am so excited to be here today to talk with you about the continent of Africa. The continent of Africa is a vast land with many diverse people, animals, languages, and culture. Africa is a continent that has 54 countries inside of it. In addition, there are 1,000 to 2,000 languages that are spoken across the continent itself. I am here today to share a little bit about what I do in connection with Africa. I teach dance and I also choreograph dance, so that means I create dances. Many of the dances that I've studied and learned come from the continent of Africa, and more specifically, they come from West Africa. I'm excited today to share with you some of my work that I do in the community with the group Roots of Life. Roots of Life is a performing arts ensemble that is open to students in the State College, Pennsylvania area school district, grades 3rd through all the way through 12th grade. We invite students to be a part of the group, and we use the drums and the dances and the stories of West Africa to build productions and performances that we travel throughout Central County performing. Roots of Life has been a part of the State College Area School District since 2009. So I'm excited today on behalf of Roots of Life to share a little bit of the work that we do each year. So when we're learning the dances and the rhythms of West Africa, it's important to note that these dances come from a long, rich tradition. Usually dances and songs were performed not for entertainment, but to celebrate a part of life. Maybe it was someone's birthday, or a couple might be getting married, or someone might have passed away. In any and all of these occasions, dance and drumming and storytelling are a part of the culture and a part of the way that people related to one another. And it was a way that people built community and connected to their humanity. In the same way, we learn these dances and honor the tradition that they come from, but we also acknowledge that we are celebrating ourselves and acknowledging our own humanity as well. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the drums. I have a helper here, Kari, who is going to play a little bit for us so we can hear how the drums sound. The first drum that we're going to hear is called the djembe. And the djembe drum is made by taking the skin of a goat and stretching it across the wood from a tree, and there are rings that are placed around it, and it's pulled with rope. So this is an acoustic instrument that is played by the hands and with the air that goes through and then comes through, so the sound goes up and out. So with our djembe drum, there are 3 main sounds. There is the bass sound, there's the tone sound, and there's the slap sound. Bass, tone, slap. Bass, tone, slap. One more time. Bass, tone, slap. Now we're going to move on to learning about a family of drums called the dooms. The first drum we'll learn about is the dundumba. The dundumba means literally big drum. And so it gets its name from the way it sounds. We're going to have Kari play the dundumba so we can hear the sound. Right, did you hear that? Dundumba, dundumba. Excellent. And so the next drum that we have here is called the kinkani. And the kinkani in the family of drums is thought of as the daughter or the youngest of the drums, the small drum. And so the kinkani as well makes the sound of its name, kinkani. Kinkani. Awesome. There's also the songba. The songba is the middle drum, which is considered to be the mother of the drum. We don't have a songba here today, but it looks just like this dundumba, but just a little smaller. Today we're going to learn a dance called cuckoo. Cuckoo is performed in all parts of West Africa. Today, we are learning it for our own celebration. Before we learn the dance cuckoo, I want to offer you a warm-up so we can prepare our bodies for dancing. That being said, hop up on your feet, find a nice space where you can spread your body out and move your body all around, and we're going to get started with our warm-up. Here we go. So we're going to shake those hands out. Just shake them out. Great job. Now let's move the shoulders. Shake the shoulders. Wiggle the shoulders all around. Just wiggle the shoulders. Nice job. Now we're going to wiggle the torso. Just wiggle all around. Nice job. Now let's wiggle those hips. Shake them out. Now let's take one leg. Shake the leg out. Other leg. Shake it out. Now let's just shake everything out. Woo. Nice job. Now we're going to take our bodies and plant them into space. Plant your feet on the floor. Open your knees nice and wide. And let's just take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out. Blow it out. Nice job. Let's add some arms. Stretch all the way out as far as we can go. Inhale. Exhale out. We're going to do that 2 more times. Nice big breath. Inhale. Stretch and breathe. Exhale out. And big breath in. Exhale out. Awesome. Now follow me. We're going to look to the right and left. So looking side to side, over the shoulder, and keep breathing. Now let's look down, up, down, up. Now let's tilt your head. Think of trying to put your ear to the shoulder. Now let's take our head out, in, out, in, just the head, just the neck. Nice. Shake that head out. Good job. Now we're going to move to our shoulders. Let's make big circles. Imagine drawing big circles with your shoulders. Big circles. Now elbows will make big circles. Keep breathing. Nice big circle. Now let's make a circle with our arms. Think of drawing a big circle. Big circle. Nice job. Keep going. Great job. Now let's open our feet nice and wide. Let the toes turn out. Reach the arms as far as they'll go up and around. Now let's place our hands on our knees or our thighs. Just give your body a stretch. Now let's take our shoulders and stretch them down one at a time. Yeah. Stretch those shoulders. Great job. Now let's see if we can fly away. Let's take our arms underneath and fly. Breathe. Now we're going to add a little jump. And jump. Nice. And for our final thing as we're warming up, let's warm up our feet. So lifting the heels, lift your heels up, up. Nice job. A little faster. And let's run in place, run in place, run in place. Nice. Let's do some jumping jacks. Let's go. Let's do 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump rope. Jump. Jump rope backwards. Let's do some big jumps. Big jump. Big jump. Big jump. Big jump. Nice job. Very good. Right, so our first movement we're going to learn with cuckoo is to listen to the rhythm of the drums. Put your feet together, bend those knees, and we're just gonna bounce. Let those knees bounce, and we'll add a clap. So we're gonna bounce and clap, bounce and clap, bounce and clap, bounce and clap. Awesome. Great job. Bounce and clap is movement 1. Hey, so movement 2, we're gonna move right along. The next movement, take both hands, reach them out, stretch them as far as they can, then take both hands and push them down. And then reach to the other side, push them out, and then push them down in the middle. So we'll reach, push, reach, push, reach, push, reach. Awesome. Now we have to add some feet to those hands. And so as we reach, we're going to kick the foot out, flex those toes up, kick that foot out, and then cross, and then we're gonna switch feet. Kick the other foot out, and then cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, kick. Now we're gonna add the hands and the feet together. And so it will look like this. Kick, cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, kick. Keep going, practice that. Kick, across, kick, across, kick. Now you try and practice that on your own. So now we're up to 3 movements. Our third movement, I like to call rodeo. So we start with 2 fists. Can you make 2 fists? Nice. And after we make these 2 fists, we're going to let our arms cross down in front and then open up. Cross down in front, open up. Try that again. Down, open, down, open, down, open, down, open. Keep going. Just keep repeating that so you can feel the way those arms move. Down, open, down, open. Great job. Now we're going to add those feet. We always have the feet and the arms. And so the feet, this is why I call it rodeo. They're going to go out and in. The knees will go out and in, out and in, like you're riding the rodeo. Nice. Now, let's put the arms and the feet together and see what happens. All right, here we go with the rodeo. Arms, remember, they go down and up, and the knees go out and in. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Da, dee, dee, da, dee, dee, da. Make those arms nice and strong. Keep breathing. Da, da, da. Great job. All right, the next movement that we're going to learn, we're going to start with our feet together, knees bent, and our bodies over towards the earth. And we're going to take our arms and spread them out to the right and step out twice, and then the other way twice. And your head is going to move a little bit as well. Stay low. See if you can stay as low as you can go. Let those arms swing really big. And you're moving right and left, twice to each side. Keep going, stay low, let the head move, let the arms move, make sure you're breathing. Nice job. All right, everybody, we're almost to the end. You're doing such a great job. Some reminders, make sure as you're doing all your movements that you're breathing. Take deep breaths in and out. If you need to grab a sip of water, make sure you grab some water because we're doing a lot of work here. Awesome work. Okay, so we're gonna keep moving. We're almost to the end. Our next movement I like to call reach for the sun. We're gonna reach for the sun. And so I'll show you the arms first. The arms are going to start here right at your waist. The elbows are going to bend, and you're going to reach the arms as high as they can go. Reach, 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 reach. Nice. And we're going to add those feet, of course. When we add the feet, they're just going to come up, bend the knee, up, switch. Almost like a really big march. Bring the knees as high as they can go. And then we're gonna add a little hop, 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 hop. Nice job. So let's add the arms and the feet together. Here we go. And reach for the sun. Reach, 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 reach. very nice job. And the last movement I call the grand finale is called little feet. And to do little feet, we just need to bring our feet together, bend those knees, take both hands and clasp your fingers together like this. Turn your palms towards the earth, push the hands down, bend the knees, and we're just gonna let our feet go pitter-patter. And now we're gonna unlace our hands and let our hands push up. 1, push 2, keep those feet going, let the feet keep going. 3, 4, and then for the grand finale, open the arms up and look towards the sky, taking a beautiful deep breath and letting the arms melt down and stand tall. Awesome. That completes the dance cuckoo. Now we're going to put it all together with the rhythm and do it from the beginning to the end. Okay, here we are with cuckoo. We're going to go from the beginning to the end, putting all of our movements together. So here we go with cuckoo. Clap it out. So this concludes our lesson on the continent of Africa. We learned a little bit about the dancing and the drums from West Africa, specifically from Senegal. I want you all to know that Africa is a vast continent where there's so much to learn and there's so much to grow and develop from, discovering all parts of Africa and all parts of the culture. So I encourage you to continue to read, continue to listen, continue to explore all of the wonderful things that you can learn from studying the continent of Africa.